developments.
The voice of the People's Party, Arden Miller Basaimot, has questioned political leaders who predict that the party is unlikely to dominate the upcoming elections for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. While speaking at the public rally in Pynursla to appreciate people's immense support to ensure massive victory of the party MP from Shillong, Ricky A.J. Singkon. The VPP chief is confident that the party will still enjoy the support of the people even in the upcoming council polls.
Mentale, Nagalai Pundri constituency, Yacho Adol Lai Puar constituency, Kabat Pani, Bangil Yo, yang Chingo Shan, Kabat Klan, Haki Lai Puar constituency. Nginong bisu yang jing pentami, nangi nang pai, nai fatwa on ai bet yang jing Shan, Kabat Klan, lagalong yang MTC, lani yang MLA election.
Marcus Martin, the former president of the HNY